Hi everyone, how are you? Let's continue our lesson. Today we have review exercises for Unit 5, Grade 7, Exercise 1. Complete the sentences with the correct form. Жоғарыда берілген сөздерді дұрыс орынға қою керек. The first, Rowling became in 2003. In the next 5 years, she 5 books. Rowling became a writer, яғни жазушы болды. In the next 5 years, she will write 5 books. Next, Шамшы Қалдаяқов was a composer, композитор болды. Шамшы Қалдаяқов, he composed the music for the national anthem of Kazakhstan. My sister is a great, she can flamenco, ballet and salsa. Яғни ол бидің түрлері, сондықтан билей алады. My sister is a great dancer. She can dance flamenco, ballet, salsa. I am a good cooker. I often cook dinner for my family. Яғни мен аспазшымын. Нұрлан paints pictures of animals. He's a great painter. Яғни Нұрлан керемет жануарлардың суретін салады. Ол өте керемет атақты суретші. Next, exercise 2. Complete the adjectives. Берілген сөздердің қалып кеткен әрбірін жазамыз. The first, slow, баяу. Domesticated, stupid, ақымақ. Light, жарық. Common, aggressive, peaceful, intelligent, wild, rare, heavy, fast. Okay, exercise 3. Модал етістіктерді қоюымыз қажет. You must turn off your mobile phones in exams. It's one of the rules. Телефонды өшіріп отыру керек емтиханда. Next. Could you swim when you were 4? 4 жасында жүзе алдың ба? No, I couldn't. I learned when I was 6. Яғни өткен шаққа could қоямыз. Next. How many languages can you speak? Can your parents speak? Сенің атаның қанша тілде сөйлей алады? Only English. They can speak any other languages. They can't speak. Have you got any advice? Yes, you should tell your teacher. Next, exercise 4. Write comparative superlative sentences. Суретке қарап отырып салыстырмалы күшейтпелі сөйлемдер жазамыз. The first, Bernard is rarer than the whippet. The whippet is the fastest. The next, Bernard is more common than the ridgeback. The ridgeback is the most aggressive. Ridgeback is the rarest. Ridgeback is slower than the whippet. Яғни баяурақ. Exercise 5. You know a bit about classical music. Sue. What about this city? What do you think of this city? Beethoven's First Symphony. Yes, it's very good. Why are you asking? I'm looking for a present for my mom's birthday. This one's classical music. Okay. She's into better, I think. Who is it by? Beethoven again. It's his 5th symphony. What about this one? His 9th symphony. No, you get here the 5th symphony. You should get here the 5th symphony. Okay, we have finished it. Goodbye.